Previously, you have learned the process on how to add group details. In this lesson, I will show you on how to add personal details. To start, click Fact Find shortcut icon. Then select Key Details. Key details allow the user to enter basic client information. The screen shown here demonstrates the key area for an individual entity type. To complete the personal details of the clients, the user will need to ensure details have been entered under the Details tab within the Family and the Client panels. Use the Family panel to enter the following details in relation to the client. Tax status. Select the tax status for your client, either single and couple. Please note the spouse section will only be enabled and the selected tax status is couple. Let's say, for example, status is single. Marital status. Select the marital status of your client according to the following: single, married, widowed, de facto, divorced, separated, and other. With our example, since tax status is single, therefore marital status is also single. The following field descriptions apply to both the client and the spouse panels. Title. Select the title of the client spouse with the following: Mr., Mrs., Miss, Master, Doctor, or a title from the other listing. Please note that once we selected the title, sex will auto-populate in accordance to its title. Example, Mr. Given name. Enter the first name of your client spouse. Example, Test. Middle name. Enter the middle name of your client spouse if applicable. This field is also used to enter the second name. With our example, second name is Peter. Surname. Enter the last name of your client spouse. Example, Goodwin. Preferred name. This field will auto-populate when we enter the first name of the customer. However, it can be edited manually. Example, Pita. Sex. This field refers to the gender of your customer. It will auto-populate in accordance to your client spouse title. Example, male. Date of birth. The date field allows you to enter the date of birth for the individual, following day, month, year format. Example, 25th May 1979. After entering the correct date of birth, the current age of the client will be automatically calculated. Age to retire. This field will automatically default to age 65. However, you can use the drop-down menu to alter this number. Reservation age. This number will be automatically generated by the software. Private health insurance. Use the drop-down menu to highlight whether or not The client's spouse currently holds private health insurance. Risk profile. Users can directly enter the client spouse risk profile. Alternatively, the risk profile questionnaire can be completed first in order to determine an appropriate risk profile. This will be further discussed in fact find process. Customer ID. If applicable, you can use this field to capture any client identification number that you may have assigned to your client. We just completed all the information needed and adding personal details.